Welcome fellow Vespa lovers, and today a centre stand demo on the modern Vespa. This should work on all modern Vespas. Now what you don't want to be doing is using the side stand, and there's a link above now on why you should never use that. We're concerned today with the centre stand, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pop it up onto the centre stand and then show you actually the physics of how I did that. So first of all, let's go and get the beast. Let's just bring it over. Right, so if you just step off your Vespa, keep your left hand on the handlebar, put your right foot on the centre stand and grab the luggage rack. Now push down with your leg and lift on the luggage rack. Now if you haven't got a luggage rack, you should still have something on there, a bar, or just see if you can get your hand under the seat. Now it's very important, keep your left hand on the handlebar. And what you're doing is you're using the weight of your body. So literally stand on the centre stand. Literally, don't try and force it back. Just use your weight and just push down with your weight and then lift away upwards. And it should just pop straight backwards. There you go. I mean, I'm fairly strong, not mega strong, not a world's strongest man or anything. And there you go, just pops up nice and easily. And the reason you always use the centre stand is because of this lever which sticks out. This stops the bike tipping over if you're parked on a hill or it's in a very strong wind. So make sure if you're on a hill, make sure that that bit sticking out is pointing down the hill. Likewise, if it's a very strong wind, make sure the wind is blowing against that lever. And this is why I'm just going to jog the bike slightly on the handlebar, and you'll see as it goes to fall over, that bit catches on the road and stops it tipping over. And that is why we use the centre stand. So you can see here, if the wind is blowing that way or you're on a hill, it wants to tip over, but that lever that sticks out just stops it just tipping over, so it could save your bike. And to get it off the centre stand, just sit on the bike, both hands on the handlebars, jog your weight forward and off it pops. And that is the end. Ride safely, people. Ride safely.